Today marks our third official community game jam. In partnership with Microsoft Azure, game developers will be gathering virtually from far and wide across the globe to take part in our prestigious event. But only one team will take home the prize. I'm your host, Lana Lux, and I will be covering the event from today until our closing ceremonies, Monday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Our first participant we'll take a look at is Ori.
Hello, I'm Ori of the Concept Arts. I'm a visual artist and more recently I've begun my journey into game development. I'm looking forward to joining this jam.
Hi, my name is Guilherme. We are participating in the Azure Lux Game Jam. We are from Brazil and we are very excited about this jam.
Hello, my name is Carlos. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Brazil and I'll be joining the Azure Lux Game Jam 2021 with my friend. I think it's going to be a great experience and I can't wait to see what people can create.
Hey guys, I'm Prepuke. I'm a dog and I will hopefully be participating in this jam. Looking forward to the jam, looking forward to checking out what everyone else does. Cheers.
It's time for the theme announcement.
We are so excited to announce that our theme for this year's Azure Lux Game Jam is Chain Reaction. I can't wait to see all the amazing games that you're going to build.
That's right, folks. Chain Reaction. Can we please have a round of applause for our judges? The jam has begun. It's official. Submission in 2 days and 23 hours, 58 minutes. Get yourselves together, get your games going. Good luck, everyone. We cannot wait to see what you make. And I'm going to be making a project alongside them so that we can stay in the spirit of the game jam. That means I need to get started on a game myself. Let the games begin. We're at 92 participants. Oh my god, that's so exciting. I better get myself started. Let's open up Unity. New project, new folder. Chain Reaction. Look at this. We have ourselves a new, fresh scene. I kind of want to spend this weekend just experimenting with some combat and seeing if I can get it to be a little bit more complex than just like punch or pick up a weapon and use a weapon, which is definitely could use a little bit more complexity. So we're going to see what we can get through in just 3 days and if we can learn anything from it when building this out. Let's bring PlayFab in. Standard assets, it's a bit out of date. Fix things. Just finding the errors, turn them off, we're good. I scrolled too far down. Install this here. Now, we have PlayFab here. Okay, here's where I'm going to. Now it says sign up success, which makes me think I did. Put sign up success in the login. Login, success. Okay, we're good. Make it this a password. Shall we do some interviews? All right, we have one person joining for a call. Hello.
Hello.
How's the progress so far?
Pretty good. Puzzle itself is mostly done. And now I am making the AI agent that's gonna be putting through it. The AI agent is gonna end up making the chain reaction.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what it is. What's next for you to work on?
Other than art and putting in the PlayFab stuff, not much else.
Okay, well, it sounds like you've got just
Yeah.
the right amount of work then. Okay, well, we'll check in again tomorrow. Looking forward to hearing how the rest of your work goes. Oh, we have another participant. Dianara, are you ready for the call? Let's do it.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good. I'm actually working on a game that came up from an idea that my son gave me when we were talking about the theme. So the goal is that we're swinging a ball on a chain. That's kind of like the chain reaction type thing.
Oh,
You
that's
strike
cool.
enemies, and I'm using like physics and stuff. And the idea is you'll be able to knock enemies into other enemies and do damage. And
Well, we're looking forward to hearing more tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have another update from you with some progress to share. All right, thanks for sharing. We'll see you later, Dinar. See you in chat.
Bye.
Bye. We have Bang the Wall is going to join again. Let's go. Come on in. How's it going?
Hello.
Here are the art pieces that Bang the Wall has sent that we heard about last time we caught up. And now we get to take a look. Here's a video as well.
I've progressed so much since the last chat. It's amazing.
Oh, wow. Well, it looks really cool.
I'm so surprised how well everything came out, because like the last 2 times I've done a game jam, things don't go that well. How is your game going?
Yeah, it's going well. I definitely have a few things I need to put in before it feels like a fun game or an interesting game. But I think tomorrow I should be able to get the bulk of it done and maybe even have time to put in a little bit of polish before the end of the jam.
Thank you for the quick chat. Bye, you.
Bye. It's so cool to see what you guys are working on. We are now going to take a look. Ooh. I want to explore Jiro's world already. We also have from Max Devlin. Ooh, a fighter jet I'm making. Nice. From Penin. It's so cute. Looks like Invader Zim. From Svet. Looks good. We've got some notes, your PC, laptops. From Scrubette. This is so cool. It's like a Rube Goldberg machine. It's so cool. These all look so cool, guys. Thank you so much for posting your progress. Good luck with your games. Can't wait to see updates tomorrow. Have a good one, everyone. Bye-bye. I hope you're doing good. Last day, last few hours. I have like a few hours to do all the things I want. Leaderboard, weapons, more art. But I did spend the evening getting the art to look better than it was before, I think. It feels good to like submit to a game jam, be a part of it, see how that appears on your itch. Right, so the first thing we need to do is make sure that the user has that. We need to do that in our sign up. Right, I wanted to say this line, the username which you might be using on login. So I set, it's a lot of random copy and pasting, but I'm hoping that should help. It'll help with leaderboards. I'm not gonna save it because it's working and I just did a bunch of copy paste. I didn't want to put in anything accidentally did. And we are done. The missions are due in negative seconds. Let's refresh. We now have voting and ranking open. To everyone who's participated in the jam, congratulations, give yourselves a pat on the back. You guys did amazingly. We are now announcing the winners of the jam. Even if you didn't finish, you guys are amazing for taking that initiative, practicing game development, practicing scope management, completion of a game. We are going to look at the winners. It's now time to play the winning announcement video from our judges.
All right, hey everyone. After careful deliberation, the results of the Azure Lux Game Jam are in. So without further ado, we will start with the polished category, and the winner is the Ruined Mage.
All right, and for the best use of PlayFab, this goes to Deck Chain.
All right, and then the fun category, we have Dark and Thunder.
And for best use of theme to really knock our socks off was good old Galaxy Bumper. And of course, that leaves the last, but not the least, the one that seemed to knock the socks off all the judges and really get us going was good old Arachna Chain.
Yeah, there were so many great submissions. We really appreciate all the hard work that you put into this, and we had a lot of fun playing the games.
Thanks to everyone for joining, and see you in the next one.
Can we get a round of applause for the winners? I really hope you guys enjoyed the event. It was a lot of work went into it, into the planning, into coming up with making sure we had all the requirements set up. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did.